Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing this new wig that I got from Ririhair, and it came in this box right here. And I've already colored and dyed this hair. Now I had every intentions to do like an unboxing, a color, and an install, but the color did not turn out the way that I wanted, and it wasn't the hair, it was me and my application. If you saw or if you watched my IG story, I had a super bright red wig, and then it was even brighter around here. The wig is still similar to what I had, I just toned it down like a lot because I just felt like it was too bright. Like the red was just too bright, so I toned it down. I was going to show you like the colors I used and all of that, but honestly I did so much mixing and all of that, it really defeats the purpose and it's not going to be as accurate. I'm just going to do a regular install today, but I'm going to be doing the capless method. And yeah, so this wig is from Ririhair. It was sent to me in this box right here. So in the box, I got this brush here, detangling brush, and then also more wig caps. So that's everything that I got in the box. So let's go ahead and get into this install. So I already have the capless method going on. I've already done this routine so many times. I don't really like doing the capless method. I'm just being extra today. This wig is constructed so well. The quality of this wig is top notch. So it comes with 2 wig clips right here, and then double wig clips or a very long wig clip in the back, which I think that's cool. It doesn't come with adjustable straps. It can stretch, but there's no like adjustable straps on here. And then the lace front, I will say this is probably the only con. The lace front isn't a whole lot. Like you still get the lace front effect right in here, but it's not wide. Like it's literally just gonna be about this much on your face, which isn't a lot to work with, but it's enough to do like a simple middle part and have edges, I guess. So I'm just noticing how wrinkly this looks. I got this robe from, I actually ordered a few robes. I ordered a few robes from Rome Week. I didn't add it in my haul video because I wanted that to be more of a clothing haul. And yeah, but I ordered these 2, and I think they were like $12. They're not like my other robes. Like my other robes are thicker, better quality. But I mean, I guess this will work for something to just throw on. It's really bothering me how wrinkly it looks in this video right now. So what I'm gonna do is comb the hair back. When I do my glue application using the Ghost Bond glue, I only use just enough for it to hold for the day. I'm gonna put it right here between the capless, where the capless method starts in my skin. So, and I like to do the middle of my face first. That's really all you need. And then I'm gonna take this brush right here . I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. I don't like using the blow dryer. I just like letting it dry and kind of melt and clear on its own, because it is like a white glue, but you'll see how it will disappear. And when it starts to clear up, like it will turn like a clear color, that's when you want to go ahead and put it down. But I'm just gonna wait. But I'm gonna clean up my hairline because I want to push the glue back a little bit. But yeah, I'm going to clean this up right here. And I'm just taking some alcohol and I'm just moving that back. Now I'm going to take the end of my comb and just really stick it into my skin. Now I'm gonna do the sides. The sides is what I hate the most. I don't know, I think it's because I got a big head. I just hate doing the sides.
Picky with my credit and my clip. Picky with the size of these shit. Picky by the wall up in my crib. Picky about the energy.
I just did a simple part in the front because I don't know, there's not that much parting on the side, so it's not like one of those wigs where you can pull it all back or anything like that. It's giving me a look. It's giving me the look that I was kind of going for with this whole trend of having this piece right here in the front lighter and then the rest of your hair being darker. So I wanted to try out this trend. I don't even know what this trend is called. I guess like a highlight, like a thick highlight towards the front of your face. This wig is from Ririhair. The hair type, it is a pre-plucked lace front wig, black version hair, silky straight. And it is Brazilian version hair, and it is a 20-inch length, so it hits me like right under my boob, so that's a nice length. And then also the cap construction, it's 4.5 part lace front wig, so that's about right. So cap size, it's a medium. No wonder this wig does not fit my head, and I thought they sent me a large. Of course, on the side I could not get it down. It would not stay, and it's because it's too small. It's too small. I need a large. For their medium size, it's 22 inches for your circumference when it comes to your head size. So I'm 23, so I definitely need a large. The lace color is a light brown, so you can choose your lace. And then also the hairline was pre-plucked. I went ahead and plucked it even more just because I wanted something more natural. Around the perimeter, it does have baby hair, but I still needed to thin it out some more. It wasn't to my liking, so yeah, but it does come pre-plucked. And then also the knots came bleached, but because I colored this hair, I had to bleach it again. So you know how that process will be. If you don't bleach this hair, or if you don't color this hair or anything like that, then you won't have to worry about bleaching the knots because it comes bleached. It comes with an elastic band option. It's too small, so I can't even test that little option out. But all in all, I still slayed this wig. I be slaying these too small for my head wigs, okay? But I would have to give this company 2 thumbs up. I actually think this is a great company that you can buy from. Even though this video is sponsored, I do think that this is a great company to buy from. I feel like they're a little slept on. Like, the construction of this wig was made very well. I would have to say, for pre-made wigs that I've received, besides the only con that I have is the sizing, which I did get the wrong size. I should have gotten a large. Besides that, the construction of this wig is well. The hair is good. So if you're one of those girls where you just don't know how to make wigs, you don't know where to start, you have no clue, or maybe you just like, girl, I don't want to make no wig, that's just not my thing, I think this is a great company to order wigs from. I think, and this is on the higher end scale as far as pricing, like it's not a synthetic wig or anything like that, but I think it's gorgeous. Like, this wig is gorgeous. gorgeous. I love it. I love it. So that's what it looks like. So this pretty much completes my Ririhair review. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.